Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I am Reena, your host and chef for today. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to make green banana. In fact, this is one of our delicacies from my young, not like I'm old now, but you know, when we were small kids. So for my ingredients, I have green banana. Obviously, when this banana is ripened, then you know you have it like a fruit. And then I've got oil. I need deep frying oil because that's how we fry the bananas. Then I've got chili powder, turmeric, salt, and then I've got self-raising. You can also use cake flour, it depends on you. And then over here, I've got a mixture of turmeric water. That's basically when I cut my bananas discolor very easily. It turns black. So in order for it not to turn black, I'm going to put that into the turmeric water. So this is a simple recipe for a fried banana. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to cut your green banana. Okay, if you look at the banana on the other side, you get these black stuff here. You need to cut this off because this got like a juice in it, and that can actually discolor your clothes. So if it comes into contact with your white clothes, your clothes can get damaged, okay? So we're going to cut that out first so that doesn't, okay? So we're going to take the skin out just like this. I'm just going to show you to prep one. And while you're cutting, you can actually feel the banana is a bit slimy, yeah? So just going to take that off. You can see the skin is quite hard as well. Okay, the skin is quite hard, so you can't peel it. Can you see? You can't peel it. But if it's ripe, then you can just take it off. You have to cut this out. You can't. There's no way you can peel this because it's tough on the outside. Okay, so and you know when you're cutting the bananas, you can actually feel your fingers are getting like kind of mushy and sticky as well. So this is ready. Then you're going to just slice it. You can slice it however thick you want, but this is how I prefer it, with thin. And then you slot it into your turmeric water so it doesn't turn black. Okay, so I'm just going to cut that because the last thing you want is a black banana. And you can actually smell the freshness of the green banana. Okay, so this is ready. You just mix it about. So the turmeric water is in there. Okay, so this is the prepping of your green banana. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a batter for the banana. Okay, so I've got some water in here. So I'm just going to put this in here. You don't want a watery consistence. You just want it nice and thick. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in. Okay, I'm just going to stir that a bit. Okay, so this is still hard, so I can add more water to this. Okay, so I'm just going to stir this a bit. As you can see, you need to take the lumps out. This is how you make the gulgula as well. Okay, let's just add a little bit more. Okay. Stir that a bit. Okay, so this is a nice thickness as well. So that's ready. Just going to leave this on the side. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to marinate my green banana. Okay, so I'm going to take this here. As you can see, it's still the same color. It's not black. Okay, so I'm just going to take that. Okay, so to this, I'm just going to add a bit of salt. I prefer fine salt because it's like a savory snack that I'm having today, but you can actually have it with, let me get the pronunciation correct, dal. So you can have it with dal as well, and especially when you're fasting. To this, I'm going to add turmeric powder because I like it a bit yellow as well, okay? Okay, just going to get that in. And I've got chili powder. Now, I'm not using masala because I want this a bit hot, okay? I'm just going to do that. Okay, now to this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of self-raising here. Now, you see what happens is if you take this batter, if you take this marinated banana and put it into the batter, it's going to take out all the chili powder out. You're not going to have any chili powder on it. So first you need to dip this into the cake flour or your self-raising. I'm using self-raising today. Okay, just leave it on the side. Two. Okay, so this is now ready to put into the batter and go into the frying pan. Okay, so now for the frying of the banana, okay, you have to have but extra oil. Right, this needs to get a bit hot. We can't fry it into cold oil, so we let this just get hot for about, say, 1 minute. Okay, so now for the frying of the green banana, we're going to take this, put it into our batter. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's nicely covered, coated. Going to put in there. You can see it's actually rising up. You can actually do this with your brinjal as well. So we're just going to let that fry a bit. Say for about a minute. Okay, so my option for a plated fried banana is as this. I like it with my mint chutney, as we call it, the pudina chutney, and this is my banana. You can actually have it with your dal curry at home, rice dal, and you can just have this as a snack as well. You can also use your banana, your brinjal as like this, and fry it out. So this is a meal plated for today. Remember to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube page. Remember, eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. So make sure you pass it on to the next generation. From us, from passing it on, God bless and take care.